So there are a variety of reasons why an examiner might say that your trademark as filed is not entitled to registration. One of the more common and unfortunately more difficult ones to overcome is the likelihood of confusion or refusal. Because trademark rights are based on first use in commerce, if somebody beat you in line to the USPTO for an identical mark on identical goods, they are the presumed owner of the right to use that mark in that way because they got there first. Alternatively, if they have a slightly different mark or slightly different goods, you've gotten a little bit further away from them. So there's perhaps a lower chance that your consumers will be confused based on similarity overall between the marks and the products. The further you get away, the less likely it is that there is a confusion issue for you. So it's really a question of whether or not you can overcome that rejection by the examiner if likelihood of confusion is cited against your trademark application. Some other ones that might come up would be, for example, mere descriptiveness. If you have a product that you're selling and some word that you really want to use to convey the brand of that product, but it really just describes an ingredient or a characteristic or some sort of attribute of that product, really all you're doing is describing it in certain ways, and we don't want trademark value in words that otherwise would gum up free speech. So we can't give you a monopoly on things that your competitors need to use to describe their types of products. The rest of the issues, they're piecemeal. I mean, they can pop up from here or from time to time. If you have a geographic indicator, if you use someone's name, it really just depends on what your trademark is. But there are a number of reasons effectively impacting free speech as to why you cannot register a trademark or negatively impacting competition because consumers will be confused and therefore you can't register your trademark.
Protect your brand with Trademarkia. Register your trademark on Trademarkia.com.